Hi, dear friends. Now we are moving our discussion the romantic age poets and literature. Now talking about Charles Lamb. Charles Lamb, who had the time period 1775 to 1834. Charles Lamb has been rightly called the Prince of English Essays. The study of his essays reveals his personality and those of his friends and relatives too. Charles Lamb was interested in the city crowd with its endless comedies and tragedies. Of all our English essays, if we talk about Charles Lamb, is the most lovable, partly because of his delicate, old-fashioned style and partly due to his heroic struggle against misfortunes. His essays are full of wisdom and good sense. Charles Lamb was one of the wisest men gifted with great common sense. The most outstanding quality of his creation is the exquisite mingling of humor and pathos. He mingles both things, the pathos in his essays and humor. Charles Lamb's essays were published under pseudonym Elia, who was an Italian clerk with whom Charles Lamb had worked in the South Sea House. Works of Charles Lamb can be divided into three periods. In the first period, there are his poems in Coleridge's poems on various subjects, his romance, Rosamond Grey, his poetical frame, John Woodville, and his contribution of jokes, pun, etc. The second period was largely contributed to the literary criticism and the tales from Shakespeare, written by Charles and Mary Lamb. Charles Lamb reproduced the tragedies and Mary Lamb the comedies. Actually, Mary Lamb is his sister. The third period included Charles Lamb's criticism of life, which are gathered together in his essays of Elia, published in 1823, and the last essays of Elia, which was published 10 years later. All his essays shows a delightful interpretation of the life of London and as it appeared to him when he walked unnoticed through the crowded streets. His famous essays are Old China, Imperfect Sympathies, and Poor Relations, Christ Hospital, and Convalescent and Dream Children. Some are important works. In Dream Children, Alice and John were his dream children. The Elizabethan were the models of Charles Lamb. The style of these essays is irresistibly attractive, simple, and old-fashioned. Though these essays are all criticism or appreciation of the life of his age, yet they are all intensely personal. It is this wonderful combination of personal and universal interest, together with Charles Lamb's style, which make the essays remarkable. Thank you.